unboxing, and quick specs. Infinix Note 12 G96. 128GB. This model also has 156GB. External memory up to 2TB. Helio G96 Ultra Gaming Processor. Package includes Infinix Note 12 warranty sticker form, SIM ejector, warranty card, $1X gold currency, clear silicone case, .33 charging adapter, Type-C charging cable, 1 meter length, Infinix Note 12. 6.7 inches FHD Plus True Color AMOLED display. SIM card and memory card tray. Micro SD card slot. Dual SIM card slot. .3.5mm auxiliary port, mic, Type-C port, speaker, power button and side-mounted fingerprint, volume rocker, water drop screen display, 16-megapixel full frame width, dual flashlight selfie camera, .50-megapixel main and 2-megapixel depth and QVGA, triple rear camera, pre-installed screen protector, more specifications. 5,000 mAh battery capacity, Expandable up to 13 GB read access memory. Android 12 X OS 10.6 version. More camera features.